Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best tofu press on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is EZ Tofu Press. Ease of use, time efficiency, and fast drying time are major selling points of this budget-friendly model. The EZ Tofu Press can press a small or large block of tofu in under 15 minutes, thanks to the ability to increase the pressure level every 2 to 3 minutes via hand-controlled knobs. Product components are made out of USDA-approved BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Other major pluses during hands-on testing included being able to fit an assortment of tofu block sizes, having centering marks to ensure proper placements, and doubling as a press for painter. Material: stainless steel grommets and BPA-free plastic. Dimensions: 9 into 5.25 into 4 inches. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we like. Dishwasher safe. Larger surface area. Tofu fully pressed in 15 minutes. What we don't like. No drainage plate or area. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yarkor Tofu Press. Simple functionality, compact size, and a drainage feature make this tofu press a solid buy. A built-in spring mechanism will gradually press the moisture out of standard 16-ounce tofu blocks. Most users recommend allowing the tofu to remain overnight or at least for several hours before cooking, since once the block is fully secured inside, no other hands-on action is needed. Features include being fully dishwasher safe and the bottom tray that collects surplus water as it drips out, preventing spills on counters or in the fridge. It's also a solid choice as a starter press for anyone in the process of learning how to prepare tofu for a variety of dishes. The manufacturer also offers a 100% money-back guarantee for 1 month after purchase. Material: BPA-free plastic. Dimensions: 7.09 into 5.12 into 3.94 inches. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we like. Very affordable. BPA-free plastic. What we don't like. Full press takes at least 2 hours. Number 3. Our third best pick is TofuXpress Gourmet Tofu Press. Drain and season in the same compartment with this dual-purpose press. Being able to use this product to press and marinate tofu is quite handy. Owners rave about how easy it is to clean, in addition to the convenience of the overall design. The tofu can be left in the bottom compartment after the initial moisture is eliminated to then be prepped with other sauces, herbs, and more, then simply popped into the fridge, prior to cooking. The model's design also lends itself well to withdrawing liquid from yogurt, spinach, eggplant, and cabbage. Material: FDA-approved thermoplastic and stainless steel. Dimensions: 5 into 5 into 5 inches. Dishwasher safe? Yes. What we like. Can be refrigerated. What we don't like. Extra tension springs sold separately. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Grow Your Pantry Bamboo Tofu Press. An assortment of extras, such as a drainage tray, storage bag, and a recipe ebook, are useful accessories bundled with this pick. A bamboo is naturally an antibacterial material. The press is an economical and hygienic option for eco-conscious shoppers. The product also comes with easy-to-follow instructions in addition to all necessary tools, which makes putting it together and taking it apart a cinch. The earthy vibe also prevents it from being an eyesore for those who prefer to leave the press in a ready-to-use position on countertops. Thus, being eco-friendly in terms of design and aesthetic makes this tofu press a suitable choice for any home cooks who prioritize purchasing sustainable kitchenware. Material: bamboo. Dimensions: 11.61 into 6.57 into 2.99 inches. Dishwasher safe? No. What we like. Drip tray included. Tofu fully pressed in 15 minutes. What we don't like. Hand wash only. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Rutes Ninja Tofu Press. As versatile as it is sleek, it earns its ninja moniker by being too dynamic to be hidden away in the kitchen cupboard. The spring, screw, and rubber band-less design not only results in a more minimalist look when it comes to form, but also streamlines the pressing process. The magic is in the weighted top, which does the heavy lifting in terms of extracting water from tofu blocks and canned veggies, and it can be used to create tofu and paneer cheese at home. Another added perk is that the food-grade stainless steel is actually partially composed of recycled materials. The contemporary chrome exterior will also not look out of place on kitchen countertops with an upscale vibe. Material, stainless steel, dimensions, 4.1 into 3.1 into 2.5 inches, dishwasher safe? Yes. What we like. Easy to clean. What we don't like. More expensive than other models. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.